Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Chili crab is one of the world's most iconic seafood dishes, loved for its rich, flavorful sauce and tender crab meat. Although the name might suggest that it is overwhelmingly spicy, chili crab is actually known for its balanced combination of sweetness, mild heat, tanginess and savory richness. Rather than focusing only on fiery peppers, the dish celebrates harmony between fresh seafood and a thick, glossy sauce that coats every piece of crab. This perfect balance has made chili crab a favorite among both locals and international travelers, earning its place as one of Asia's most famous culinary creations. Today, food lovers travel thousands of miles just to experience authentic chili crab, and many describe it as one of the most memorable meals they have ever enjoyed. The history of chili crab is just as fascinating as its flavor. The dish originated in Singapore during the 1950s, when a husband and wife wanted to prepare fresh crabs in a new and exciting way. Instead of simply steaming the seafood or serving it with plain sauces, they experimented by cooking the crab in a homemade mixture of tomato sauce and chili paste. Friends and customers quickly fell in love with the recipe, encouraging them to continue perfecting it. As more chefs discovered the dish, new ingredients were introduced, including garlic, ginger, eggs, sugar, vinegar, and various spices that enhanced the overall flavor. Over several decades, chili crab transformed from a family recipe into one of Singapore's national treasures, representing the country's diverse culinary heritage and creative approach to food. Freshness is one of the most important factors in preparing excellent chili crab. Skilled chefs carefully select live crabs that are active and healthy before cooking. Mud crabs are the traditional choice because they contain large amounts of sweet, tender meat hidden beneath their strong shells. These crabs grow in mangrove forests and coastal waters throughout Southeast Asia, making them readily available in many seafood markets. Before cooking begins, each crab is cleaned thoroughly to remove any unwanted material while preserving the delicate meat inside. Proper preparation requires both speed and care because fresh crab can lose its quality if not handled correctly. Experienced seafood chefs understand that even the finest sauce cannot compensate for poor quality crab, making ingredient selection one of the most critical steps in the entire cooking process. One reason chili crab stands out from many other seafood dishes is its remarkable sauce. Creating this famous sauce requires several ingredients working together in perfect harmony. Fresh garlic is finely chopped and cooked until fragrant, followed by ginger, onions, and chili peppers that release their aromatic oils into the pan. Tomato sauce or tomato paste provides sweetness and acidity, while chili paste contributes warmth and vibrant color. Sugar balances the natural acidity of the tomatoes, preventing the sauce from becoming too sharp. Soy sauce often adds depth and umami, while vinegar or fresh lime juice introduces brightness that keeps the sauce lively. Some chefs include seafood stock to intensify the crab flavor, while others add fermented chili sauces that create extra complexity. Near the end of cooking, beaten eggs are gently stirred into the bubbling sauce, forming silky strands that make the mixture rich and luxurious. A small amount of cornstarch helps achieve the thick consistency that clings beautifully to every piece of crab. The balance of flavors is what makes chili crab unforgettable. Every bite delivers sweetness from the tomatoes and sugar, gentle heat from the chilies, savory depth from seafood and seasonings, and slight acidity that keeps the sauce fresh and vibrant. Unlike dishes that focus entirely on intense spice, chili crab allows every ingredient to contribute without overpowering the others. The natural sweetness of the crab remains the star of the meal, while the sauce enhances rather than hides its delicate flavor. This thoughtful balance makes chili crab appealing to people with different spice preferences, from those who enjoy mild heat to experienced chili lovers. Cooking chili crab requires careful timing because seafood cooks quickly. After the crab pieces are added to the simmering sauce, they absorb the surrounding flavors while releasing their own natural juices. As the shells heat, the sweet crab meat inside becomes tender and succulent. Overcooking can cause the meat to become dry and chewy, while undercooking may leave the seafood unsafe to eat. Skilled chefs constantly monitor the cooking process, adjusting heat levels and stirring the sauce gently to ensure every piece cooks evenly. Once finished, the crab is served immediately while still hot, allowing diners to enjoy both the fresh seafood and the aromatic sauce at their best. From its humble beginnings to becoming a culinary icon, chili crab has earned its place among the world's greatest seafood dishes. In the next part, we'll explore regional variations, cooking techniques, nutrition, and why millions of people continue to love this unforgettable meal. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.